And now we get to add to our tree. Get this one. And right up there, the 23rd. 2 more sleeps until Christmas. We're gonna make some cookies. We're gonna make some cookies.
Hi Misfits! We're making cookies. This is Sammy's very special recipe. Apparently there's a secret ingredient that even I'm not allowed to know about, so
Yeah.
good luck with that, figuring out what that may or may not be.
No. We're not figuring this out. So 1 cup of butter.
Looks like scales now. That's really cool.
Let's not drop the butter though.
Yeah.
Put that in there.
1 cup of the butter.
What does it mean to fold it in?
Folding in the butter.
We are gonna add 1 cup of sugar. So go ahead and cream that together.
So it's technically supposed to be like 2 cups of sugar? Or 1 cup of sugar?
It's supposed to be 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. But since I at least want to taste a little bit of this, I'm going to use my replacement sugar for the brown sugar. Because it's brown replacement sugar. So that way I can at least have like a cookie. Because everything else in this is fine. It's just the actual 1 cup of sugar deal.
Yeah. Okay, so instead of having 1 cup of the sugar replacement, we've got about 1.5 cups.
Exactly. I think that'd be okay. We'll find out. This is going to be one of our lovely episodes of Hit or Miss.
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I put them right here. Watch your hand.
Now we gotta clean the counter.
Oh no.
Okay, now I stir them in.
Yes.
Okay.
I love it. It's all clean.
Nice and shiny.
Sure.
This smells really good. We haven't even gotten to the actual cookie part.
Alright, so we did the 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now this is where the fun part comes into play. The flour.
Yay! Why did you have me get that? That's full. You've already got that. Just use that.
Okay.
Then I would have to refill that.
This bag is almost taller than me. On the counter.
Basically.
Now we need 3 cups of flour.
There are lots of lumps in here.
1.
Oh, are you not gonna be putting it in?
I'm gonna wait for you to mix that in.
Oh, okay.
That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to add flour little bits at a time. That's another reason why you're not allowed to cook, Becca.
Oopsie.
So another thing that I have learned is clean as you go.
Yeah, otherwise you would like end up with a big mess just like I do.
Yeah. See, that's another thing that we are so polar opposites about, is that I clean as I go, and you're just like, I clean when I'm done.
Yep. And then 2 days later, okay, I'm cleaning.
It's like, it's still a mess. All right, you know what? I'm gonna take over. Am I wrong?
I still try.
You do try. I do have to give you props for trying.
I'm not proud of my dish messes. I'm not proud of it.
Okay, so next would be our chocolate chips.
Latte, chocolate.
Okay.
It's still sticky.
Oh, okay. So we're just gonna have melted chocolate.
I forgot about that. Bang it with a hammer. Wait, where's our...
I'll put them in a box, put them in another box, and then I'll mail it to me. And then when it arrives, I'll smash it with the hammer. Okay, that's not how we do chocolate. I'll smash your glasses.
No, I need those.
Put it back. This is for meat.
But it's more fun this way.
No.
Okay.
You can just nom on these. Didn't mean now.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so now we are going to fold in 2.5 cups. So this is 1.5 cups. And now fold in. Fold it in. It's 2 cups. That's 2.5 cups.
Help! Rain!
Destruction.
I love the chocolate.
Nope. See, I may be little and can't get these out of the cabinet, but I can put them back.
We have the sheets.
Now we need the aluminium.
Aluminum.
Aluminium.
Aluminum.
Aluminium.
Aluminum. Ah, I have chocolate on my hand. That was good thing.
So normally I use like canola oil, but we don't have any. So we're just gonna use butter flavor.
I definitely forgot to get some of that at Kroger.
You done forgot it all.
Yeah, I know.
So I totally cheated on this diet this week.
Explain.
So with the Kit Kat bar, all because I'm on my period.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just like, I can just have a little bit of this Kit Kat bar, I'm fine. Granted, I'm fine because I still lost 2 pounds this week so far. And it's only, what, Wednesday?
Something like that.
Like, what? Now, our direction, or my directions, originally, you're supposed to like put them in little balls. I like big cookies.
I do too.
So I just take a good scoop. Now I don't try to like oversize the pan. Becca.
Mom and I used to take really, really big scoops of cookie dough and make a giant cookie.
Yes. So what, I know like one time me and my little brother were making cookies and it was the last pan and we didn't feel like scooping out all of the cookie dough to make little cookies. So we just said plop just to make a giant cookie.
Very nice.
I wonder if he remembers that.
That's a strange face.
Because I just got straight vanilla in that.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so now that we got all 3 trays in there, it's just going to bake at 350 for about 10 minutes and then we're going to check on it. So now we get to clean up. Alright, so 10 minutes.
Nah. Those are very fluffy cookies.
So these ones can do about another 2 minutes. Yeah, they can go in for about another 2 minutes.
Okay.
right. And that's making chocolate chip cookies with Mixmatched.
Thanks for watching
Be welcome.
and get creative.
Bye guys.